Hi everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's make some beautiful drawings with your handprint. Place your handprint on the paper and trace lines around it as we are doing in the video. Join the two end tips so that we can easily make the basket semicircle. Divide it equally and make more lines as we are doing in the video. We are making carrots, make different faces that we are doing here. You can add your own creative ideas to make it more beautiful and then color it accordingly. And look, it is ready here. Children will definitely like this drawing, so try it and color it for them and make them happy. Yeah, the carrot basket is almost ready. Here it is. Don't skip the video. Try to do it for your children. The carrot basket is almost ready and it is here. Next, we are drawing Peppa Pig, children's favorite one. Place your hand on the drawing sheet and draw lines around it using black marker or any other pens with you. Like this, we are doing to make nose, eyes, and complete the structure of its body, hand, tail, legs, and other hand having its ice cream and color it accordingly. And it's ready, the Peppa Pig, children's favorite. Dun, dun, dun. Next, we are doing Patrick Star. For that, place your hands on the plain drawing sheet as shown in the video and draw lines around it as we are doing here and booty legs, dress, eyes and complete it with more features and draw different grasses around it and color it and look how pretty this is looking. Next, we are drawing a tree with your handprint. Place your hand on a white sheet of paper and draw lines as we are doing here. On fingers, we are going to draw trees like this and add more details like this, its branches, its eyes, mouth, and nose. Oh, don't forget to draw its two big hands and legs and color it. And look how beautiful this is to look. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you soon with another beautiful one. Tata, bye bye. Thank you.